everybody, this is Muhajir Elliot, and today I'm going to teach you one expression that you can use if you want when you want to speak like a British person, or when you are in London. The expression that I'm going to teach you is "what do you fancy?" Do you know what I mean? Let me tell you. It means what do you like? Let's take a look to example. Number 1, do you fancy studying here at Ummul Ayman? Number 2, do you fancy watching this video? If you do, subscribe. That's all from me for today. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and share with your friends and comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.